Hi everyone, welcome to Start to Excel in 3 minutes. Today I will show you how to extract name and domain from email address. Let's say you have number of email address in a column. So here I took only three email address. You might have hundreds of email address, and then you want to extract the name and domain, before and after the @ sign from each email address. For this extraction, you would need to know about left, right, find, and len formula. So first, let's start with the name. So for this, we would like to extract the name from the left side. So I will use the left function and then select the cell, which is B2, comma, use find function, use find formula, and then find what? Find @ because that is what is important. And then again the reference to B2, and then first parenthesis closed, -1, and then a parenthesis closed. Why it is -1? Because we will take the data or the value before @ so it will take the @ and then one step back, enter. So I can see the name extracted before, which is before @. So let's see about the others. So yeah, we can see that name extracted accordingly. Remember this formula, you cannot extract the values from here with only left or right function, because left or right function can work only for one value, but not for multiple events or multiple data. Now extracting domain, which is after @. So this is in the right side, so we will use the right function, right formula, and then select the cell, comma, len, then again select the cell, minus find what? Find @, and then comma, again the cell reference, and then bracket close, enter. So I can see the hotmail.com, which has been extracted after @. So similarly, we can find out the rest of the domain from the rest of the email addresses. Thank you.